The HSBC Tower. In London, also known as 8 Canada Square, is a prominent 656-foot, 200-metre skyscraper with 45 floors situated in Canary Wharf. Completed in 2002, it was designed by Norman Foster of Foster & Partners, a leading architectural firm known for its innovative and sustainable designs. Originally built as the global headquarters for HSBC, the tower served as one of the tallest buildings in London at the time, though it has since been surpassed by newer developments. Constructed primarily of steel and glass, the building features a sleek, modern facade and advanced structural systems, including a double-deck elevator system. While initially owned by HSBC, the tower is now owned by the Qatar Investment Authority, following its sale in 2014. Today, the HSBC Tower remains a key symbol of London's financial district, representing the global influence and reach of HSBC in the banking industry.